In this video, I will show you how to fix DeepSeek AI verification code not received. So it can be really annoying if you do not receive your verification code, and there are a couple of steps that you can take in order to make sure that this is not happening or that you are receiving your code. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, from your DeepSeek app is making sure that you have the right email address or phone number linked with the setup of your account. So check this very concisely if this is the right number or the right email address. And if you are using an email address, then please be aware that it sometimes can take even a couple of hours nowadays on DeepSeek before your verification code is arriving. And of course, it is very common, but it can also be in your spam or in your junk folder. And you have a spam folder in some mailboxes, and you also have a junk folder, so it can be on either one of these. So go ahead and make sure that you have that checked very well. And for mail, otherwise it can take some time, and same for your phone. And something else that you can do is checking if there is an outage or servers that are down on DeepSeek. And you can check that at status.deepseek.com. This is from DeepSeek itself. And you can basically check if there is an outage or something wrong with the servers, because this can also cause your code not receiving. And if it still does not work after you have waited, let's say a day, then you can also contact support of DeepSeek from contact.deepseek.com. So I hope this video helped you out in solving this problem. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.